Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today for Community Partners Clothing Referral Program. My name is Abhishek, and I'm the Marketing and Fundraising Assistant here at Community Clothing Assistance, CCA. In today's webinar, we will be covering the Community Partners Clothing Referral Program. Let's begin with agenda. In today's agenda, we will be covering history of Community Clothing Assistance and Referral Program. What is the referral program? What are the benefits of this program? Who is this program for? How to receive benefits as a client? How to partner to work together? How to use this program? How to support this program? Statistics, testimonial, and lastly, how to contact us. So let's begin with history of Community Clothing Assistance. Established in 2006, Community Clothing Assistance was founded in 2006 to relieve poverty through the operation of a clothing bank. The location of Community Clothing Assistance is the former site of a food bank located on 404 North May Street that provided food and some clothing to the less fortunate. Second is temporary closure. In 2007, due to lack of funding, the charity's doors were temporarily closed and all the services were put on hold. Third, tragic event. And during that time, a homeless person was waiting on the stairs and didn't know how to read the closure sign. And unfortunately, he froze to death on the steps of this building due to lack of warm clothing. And fourth, reestablishing the charity. After that tragic event, it was realized that free clothing as a service is much needed in our community. And at that time, United Way stepped in and supported the charity operations. Dr. Brian J. Scott, the landlord at that time, responded to the tragedy by reinforcing a charity with the help of key people, who are Mary Sorenso and David Andrews. The community support had made the existence possible, and the organization is continuing to grow. So what is this referral program? The objective of this program is to target low-income individuals and families where many are living in low-income households. The program provides individuals with free clothing for each of the 4 seasons if crises exist. Second is partnering organizations. Today, we partner with more than 150 organizations and work with more than 350 social workers on a daily basis. The partnership allows to refer their clients in need for free clothing. Throughout Community Clothing Assistance operation, our charity has recognized several factors contributing to poverty or need for assistance. This may include people escaping domestic abuse situation, social assistance recipients, senior citizens on fixed income, people with disabilities, and all the people in crisis. These factors are important and are considered when working with the community, such as mental illness, addiction, anger management issues, limited education and employment skills, unexpected job loss, disasters such as fire, flooding, and accident. Any individual who requires free clothing but cannot afford them or has lost his or her belonging under some unfortunate circumstances like theft, accident, can avail these program services by contacting one of our partnering agencies. The client then visits Community Clothing Assistance Clothing Bank, where he or she is provided with 3 short sleeves, 3 long sleeves, 1 dress pant, 1 short, 1 capri, 1 jacket, 1 hoodie, 1 pair of boots or shoes, and other items if required. Referred clients are able to select clothing that fits appropriately and appeals to their personal style through large stock of clothing in the storefront. These offers do not intimidate our customers, as no one knows if the person is shopping or receiving free clothing. Let's start with what are the benefits of this program. First is helping people with basic needs. Basic human needs are described as food, clothing, and shelter, considered as human necessities. The main purpose of the referral program is to make people in crisis self-sufficient, even on a low income. When an immediate help is provided to people in crisis situation, they can better focus on other necessities and life priorities. Individuals are able to become self-sufficient and self-reliant without spending a large portion of their limited funds on clothing, which is the essence of human need. Second is inclusive community, comfort and mental well-being, and belonging through access to quality clothing, which can increase the self-esteem. Wearing better clothes can provide a sense of belonging and acceptance. The stigma of poverty often creates an image of a negative community association. Community effort in Thunder Bay is magnified to change the life of the less fortunate by donating clothing and believing that it is an important element in human self-confidence. Furthermore, when individuals in need feel comfort in a peer, they can apply for jobs or go back to school, believing in their achievement. Their comfort is real, and the operation of the referral program to those who are unable to purchase clothing directly and indirectly contributes to one's life improvement. Access to quality clothing can be a major esteem boost to self, especially the youths, as they are able to wear newer designer clothes and can find a sense of belonging, boosting their mental health. A healthy lifestyle is a community trend which is widely addressed to all consciousness individuals. So let's start with who is this program for? So the referral program includes customers as follows. First is unemployed customers, such as referrals would come through partnering organizations, and the ones client is employed again, the client is not entitled for free clothing anymore. Unemployed customers can request help for family members if any exist. Second is majority of our partners deal with poverty relief challenges and they access this program. Some families struggle for years to come out of poverty and our services are blessing to their situation. Third is people in disaster crisis. The disaster program is a sub-program to referral and helps with clothing and other items lost due to disaster occurrence, such as floods, fires, theft, or any other situation. Such clients can be referred through our partners or they can come directly to the clothing bank requesting for help. Fourth is homeless and walk-in clients. Homeless and walk-in clients receive an immediate service of free clothing, hygiene packs, and other items needed to survive. This program helps those with personal crisis or serious poverty situations. So how to receive benefits as clients? If an individual is in need of clothing and want to receive benefits from this program, they can contact one of our partnering agencies or call us on 474-3583. The organizational referral enables community clothing assistance and its over 150 partnering agencies to play a central role in reducing poverty for clients. How to become a partner in referral program? There are 3 simple steps to follow. Enroll your organization online and get approved. Use the system to create an information profile. Refer your clients. So here is an example of how you can create a referral. So click on the referral login page where there is a login button on the top right corner. And from there, this window will pop up, which will ask you for your email address and password if you are an existing user, or you can sign up for a new account. So in case of this, in case you are a new customer and want to create your own account with community clothing assistance, you can add your agency details such as agency name, agency category, business registration number, agency description. So when you click on agency category, there will be a drop-down list which will state, are you in community center, employment, family care, charity organization, etc. And in case the organization category doesn't fall into any of these, you can click on other. So let's go to 4th step now, where you will have to mention your agency address and with your postal code, of course, and click on next step. And now going to step 5, which is agency contact information. On this, you will have to provide phone number of your agency, email address, and web address, and click on next step. Then a primary contact information window will pop up. In this, you will have to mention the primary contact details such as first name, middle name, last name, employee ID, designation, phone number, and email address, and click on next step. Executive director contact information. Let me make sure, like, this is not a employee or administrator. This is the executive director or CEO of the organization. In this case, we will require their first name, middle name, last name, phone number, and official email address. And you will be done with your application. And then your application will be submitted to Community Clothing Assistance. Once your application has been submitted, you will receive an approval email from Community Clothing Assistance. And after that, you can log into your account and create a referral worker profile and click on create referral worker profile for creating additional referral worker and fill out basic information and then click on create. And now creating a customer profile. And in order to do that, click on create customer profile, then click on create adult profile, fill out basic information, and then click on create. And same with creating child profile. You will have to click on create customer profile, then click on create child profile, fill out basic information and your relationship with the child, and click on create. Once done, you can now start creating referrals. So now you can click on the referrals and click on adult or child, and then click on create referral. And now select from drop down. For example, here there is sample 1 and sample 2, and then click on create. Once created, a referral will be created and the customers can take their free clothing from Community Clothing Assistance Clothing Bank. So now, just in case you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password and then add your email address and click on reset password. A one-time code will be sent to you on your email. So let's start with how to support the referral program. Clothing donations, monetary donations, corporate sponsorship, and legacy giving are some of the ways by which you can help Community Clothing Assistance grow and accomplish its goal to reduce poverty in our community. Statistics: 8% of families live at or below the poverty line in Thunder Bay, and in 1 month, Community Clothing Assistance provides 6,000 pieces of clothing to 200 families. To contact us, you can visit us on 404 North May Street, Thunder Bay. And to call us, you can contact on 807-474-3583. We are open from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturdays, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. To reach out to us via email, you can reach on admin@clothingassistance.com or visit us on www.communityclothingassistance.com.